So as you can see with the picture that was before me speaking here, a huge gaping hole in the middle of a city, and this was brought about through Tropical Storm Agatha. It swept through Central America, affecting mostly Guatemala, but also El Salvador and Honduras. 113 people alone were killed in Guatemala. 50 people are missing in the rubble. This happened yesterday, which was 5/30, 2010. An example of nature taking itself back. This was a sinkhole that just collapsed, and it's 30 meters wide now. So, nature taking itself back with all the infrastructure and pretty much buildings that we've put up, annihilating what nature has created here as trees, wildlife, plants, nature in general. Pretty much annihilating ourselves here because we're equal and one to that. Our human bodies are the substance of Earth. We are here as Earth, and we disrespect and continue to abuse it. So this is an example of nature with its forces taking itself back to show humans who we are here, as we're not all powerful. We can't control what is here as nature. We need to start standing up and being equal to life and not abusing what is here as nature, as our world, people. So we need to beware. Nature is here, and it's showing us to ourselves destruction. Respect life. Stand up for an equal money system for all. Be self-honest with yourself. Self-forgive yourself as well as others. Create an understanding of how we can solve these problems here by creating a system that's fair and respects all. Equal money for all, from birth to death.